Up for auction is a Leatherman Wave multi-tool. As you can see, it has the pliers here. It also has the tools here. And we have the flathead screwdriver there. We have the little eyeglass tool, and right here is the flat part of it, and then if you just release this tension bar right here, pull it out, flip it over, and it'll be the Phillips head. And then you have here the pair of scissors. I'll put all these back real quick. Has a button here that releases them. It can be done one-handed, as you can see. Then you have your can opener, your flathead, and then if you pull this out, turn on the other side, it's the Phillips head. Of course, when you do that, you have your serrated edge knife here. On this side, you have your hacksaw. Side, you have your standardized knife. This knife, there's no chips, no cracks in the blade. It's got some fingerprints, but that's about the extent of it. And then here you have your file. Now this will be a buy it now, and this will also be free shipping. And you can get this and our other items at our eBay store. Get it now upon 1500, and this does not come with a case. This is just what it comes with right here. It's just a Leatherman tool itself. Thanks a lot. Bye.